Hey guys, it's Chef Joya here, and today I am super excited. I received my produce box from Divine Harvest Foods, which is filled with alkaline fruits and veggies. So I have so much to play with, but today I decided to play with my breadfruit. Now I did let this ripen for a few days before I went ahead and cut it. And what I'm doing right now is I oil my knife so it doesn't get too sticky, and I've removed the skin, and I'm gonna chop these up into maybe like a slender shape because I am gonna make vegan fried chicken. Yes, I said vegan fried chicken. First, I'm gonna go ahead and take my spelt flour and divide it into 2 bowls. I'm gonna go ahead and season it with my basic seasons of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili powder, ginger, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with a little bit of unsweetened almond milk in one of the bowls. And next, I'm gonna go ahead and season my breadfruit. Now, breadfruit is a tropical fruit. I know you can find it from Divine Harvest Foods because they ship your fruits and veggies right to your door. So make sure you go ahead and check them out. So I did a wet batter, a dry batter, and I deep fried it in grapeseed oil, and boom, there you had it. Vegan fried chicken. Break it open. Ooh, doesn't that look amazing? So make sure you're following me for more delicious recipes. Ciao.